What dua do you say when you wake up and before you sleep? What dua do you say before and after wudu? What dua do you say when you feel happy or sad? In this course, you will learn the daily Islamic supplications in Arabic. You will practice them and will know what to say in every situation of your life. Top Quran Classes provides free books and helpful materials for you. By the end of every month, you will receive progress report to check your learning process and to give more attention and effort to your weaknesses. Book free trial Quran with native and experienced Arab teachers from Egypt to start learning the Quran with TopQuranClasses.com.